Do you want to know how you can log into your DeepL account using your SSO number? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to DeepL using your SSO number. Go ahead and open DeepL on your Chrome or Edge browser, and then what you need to do is click on login, which is on the top right hand corner of your screen. Now you can see continue with SSO on the bottom of your screen. Click on it and it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and write down the company SSO domain and then press continue. After that, write down your password and click login. This way you can log in to your DeepL using your SSO domain number or your company SSO domain. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.